A lot of fun and a good weekend. Meanwhile, in your vote 2024, a New York judge just ruled former President Donald Trump will have to pay nearly $355 million in penalties resulting from his civil fraud case.
Yeah, so this is all happening as Trump prepares for his first criminal trial set to start March 25th in New York. Our Washington correspondent Julia Benbrook joining us now live with all the details. Julia.
Well, Donald Trump's team is already vowing to appeal that massive fine and other penalties handed down today. Meanwhile, the former president is preparing for his first criminal trial. We now know that jury selection for that will begin on March 25th, meaning that Trump will have to continue splitting his time between the courtroom and the campaign trail.
March 25th, that's the date a judge in New York set for former President Donald Trump's first criminal trial. It will start about 7 months before voters head to the ballot box for the presidential election.
We'll just have to figure it out. I'll be here during the day and I'll be campaigning during the night.
Trump is accused of falsifying business records in the middle of his 2016 campaign to keep a past relationship with adult film star Stormy Daniels a secret. The former president has pleaded not guilty and denied wrongdoing. He's also claimed the charges brought by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg are politically motivated.
We today uphold our solemn responsibility to ensure that everyone stands equal before the law. No amount of money and no amount of power changes that enduring American principle.
The trial is expected to last 6 weeks, and Trump will be required to sit in a New York courtroom 4 days a week, which is certain to complicate his campaign efforts.
How can you run for election to be sitting in a courthouse in Manhattan all day long?
His primary opponent, Republican Nikki Haley, says Trump's long list of legal issues will hurt him in the general election if he becomes the nominee.
He's already said he's going to spend most of this year in a courtroom, not on a campaign trail. That's not a way you win.
Now, this is just one of many legal issues filling Trump's calendar right now. The former president faces 91 felony counts across 4 indictments. Reporting live in Washington, D.C., Julia Benbrook, Wish TV.
All right, Julia, thank you very much. From Washington, D.C. to central Indiana tonight.